Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Fusion Grill Easy Guide. Begin by opening the hood and locating the plastic fasteners along the top edge of the grill assembly, then remove them carefully with a flathead screwdriver. Keep screws and clips in a small tray. Wear gloves to protect your hands and paint. Work slowly to avoid breaking fragile tabs and inspect surrounding trim for hidden screws before proceeding. Now, with the hood open and fasteners removed, focus on disengaging the grill tabs starting at one corner and moving evenly across the assembly. Use a pry tool with a cloth to protect paint and take care not to bend mounting tabs. If any clip resists, double-check for hidden screws. Place the old grill on a soft towel to avoid scratches and compare mounting points with the replacement part. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: consider grabbing a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with DIY savings after repairs. I placed a link and some deals in the description so you can check it out easily. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new grill carefully, aligning each tab and stud with its corresponding opening, and press evenly until you hear a series of clicks confirming engagement. Reinstall screws and any new clips using a Torx or screwdriver, tightening just enough to secure without cracking plastic. Close the hood and inspect panel gaps for even spacing. Test the fit by gently pressing around the grill to ensure no areas are loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.